In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the tone equalizer in Darktable. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with photo editing, understanding this tool can significantly enhance the way you balance tones in your photos. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, to achieve that perfect tonal balance. First, you'll want to open your photo in the darkroom view. This is where all the magic happens in Darktable. It's the workspace that allows you to make adjustments and see them in real time. Simply navigate to the Darkroom module, and your image should appear ready for editing. Once your photo is open, look for the Tone Equalizer module in the right panel. If it's not immediately visible, you might need to scroll through your available modules or even enable it from your preferences. Activating this module is key, as it provides the tools to adjust the tonal range of your image, helping to bring out details that might otherwise be lost in shadows or washed out highlights. With the Tone Equalizer active, you'll see sliders labeled Shadows, Midtones, and Highlights. These are your primary controls for adjusting tonal balance. Move the Shadows slider to recover details in the darker areas of your photo. Likewise, the Highlights slider can assist you in pulling back burned-out sections in brighter parts of the image. The Midtone slider offers subtle control that can bring the rest of your photo to life, weaving together the shadows and highlights for a seamless look. Adjust these sliders carefully to achieve a natural and pleasing result. Next, there's the Radius slider to consider. This control helps define whether the adjustments you're making will be applied locally within specific areas or globally across the entire image. A smaller radius targets areas closely, adding precision to your editing, whereas a larger radius delivers a more even effect throughout the photo. Experiment with this slider to find the setting that best fits your desired outcome, as it affects how the tone equalizer influences the depth and dimension of your image. If you find the effect is still not quite what you want, you have the option to adjust the strength slider. This control increases or decreases the intensity of the overall effect the tone equalizer has on your image. It's a great way to fine-tune your adjustments, ensuring that the changes blend naturally and enhance the image without overpowering it. Take your time to fine-tune these tonal adjustments to your liking. Aim for a result that feels balanced and dynamic, adding depth to your image while preserving its natural appearance. Once you're satisfied, you've successfully used the Tone Equalizer in Darktable. And that's how you use the Tone Equalizer in Darktable. By mastering these adjustments, you're well on your way to creating striking and beautifully balanced photos. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.